How to build an AI-powered lead generation system. What if your lead generation worked while you slept, attracting, nurturing, and converting prospects without constant effort? The businesses growing fastest right now aren't relying on hustle. They've built systems, specifically AI-powered systems that work smarter, scale faster, and evolve on their own. Let's break down the exact framework that makes this possible. Attract. Use AI to create smarter content. Start by driving the right traffic with AI tools that handle SEO and content at scale. Tools like Jasper.ai and Surfer SEO don't just write, they optimize. You'll get blog posts, captions, and ad copy that rank, convert, and adapt to search trends automatically. Capture. Personalize the landing experience. Once people arrive, use dynamic lead magnets such as quizzes, calculators, and assessments, and personalized landing pages. Tools like ConvertBox and Outgrow change your messaging based on where the visitor came from and what they're looking for. It's tailored, not templated. Nurture and convert with automation. Use platforms like ActiveCampaign to send personalized emails triggered by behavior, not just time. And when they're ready to convert, deploy AI chatbots like Tidio or Drift to answer objections, book calls, and push them toward action without human input. Scale without hiring more. With tools like Madgicx and Zapier, you can automate campaign optimization and budget allocation. Your lead engine improves with every click, automatically adjusting and expanding based on what works. This system isn't just efficient, it's transformative. You're replacing random tactics with a self-optimizing growth engine that works 24/7. If you're done chasing leads and ready to build something smarter, start here. Use this framework, pick one step, implement it this week. Because in today's market, it's not about who works harder. It's about who builds systems that work harder for them.